In this hyper-realistic photograph set in a lush and verdant tropical paradise during the daytime, we aim to capture the essence of feminine beauty. The composition centers around a close-up view of a biological female human's face, adorned with butterflies and flowers in her hair, while being surrounded by butterflies and flowers in a vibrant forest setting. The extreme close-up, front-facing head and shoulder portrait is meticulously composed with sharp focus, optimized for various mediums such as print, digital media, art exhibitions, and installations. To thrive in this environment, the woman requires specific enhancements both above and below water. Genetic modifications are necessary to withstand the tropical climate, including enhanced sweat glands for efficient cooling and UV-resistant skin to protect against sun damage. Additionally, cybernetic implants are required to establish communication with aquatic life forms and withstand the pressures of the deep sea. Nanotechnology can be employed to reinforce her body's adaptability and resilience, allowing her to navigate the diverse ecosystems of the tropical paradise. The forest setting features a mesmerizing saltwater mountain lake in the background, characterized by its clear waters and pristine white sand beaches. Alongside, a meandering mountain river flows, adorned with colorful fish and vibrant coral, further enriching the picturesque scenery. Japanese cherry trees with their delicate pink blossoms line the shoreline, accompanied by an array of colorful wildflowers. The landscape comes alive with the graceful presence of mermaid goddesses, seamlessly blending the realms of fantasy and reality. To capture this scene, natural daytime lighting is utilized, showcasing the vibrant colors and natural beauty of the environment. Advanced quantum wave tracing technology is employed to enhance the lighting, creating a soft and natural effect that accentuates the overall atmosphere. Special effects such as color grading, depth of field, and subtle lens flares are applied to elevate the image's impact and evoke a sense of enchantment. The utilization of ultra-high-definition photography and hyper-realistic textures ensures exceptional visual quality and intricate detail, bringing the composition to life. Incorporating cultural and historical references adds depth and meaning to the composition, while highlighting the latest advancements in scientific professional photography and AI-generated image technology. The final result is a hyper-detailed masterpiece that celebrates the surreal beauty of the landscape and the subject, capturing the imagination of the viewer. Tagging the image as surreal, beauty, landscape, and hyper-realism helps categorize and promote its artistic qualities. The aesthetics draw inspiration from Tangsin Yunsandara Reddit and digital art, aiming to achieve beautiful lighting akin to butterfly lighting and UHD music videos. Inspiration is also drawn from the works of Anya Taylor-Joy, Jingna Zhang, and Ji-Yun Che, incorporating elements such as orange lights, starry skies, and ultra-realistic details to enhance the overall visual impact. To ensure Technicolor excellence and highly detailed visuals, the image is optimized with a resolution of 4K, allowing for optimal clarity and realism. The camera setup remains consistent with the previous description, utilizing a top-of-the-line professional DSLR camera mounted on a stable tripod, equipped with a high-resolution full-frame sensor. The macro lens, inspired by the works of Tangsin Yunsandara, Reddit, and digital photographs, with a focal length in the range of 100–150 mm, captures extreme close-up shots with exceptional sharpness and minimal distortion. Now let us delve into a detailed description of the medical procedures required for humans to thrive and serve in the described environment: adaptation to the tropical climate, genetic modifications. Humans undergo targeted genetic engineering to enhance their ability to adapt to the tropical climate. This involves modifying genes responsible for thermoregulation, sweat production, and heat tolerance, ensuring optimal body temperature regulation in hot and humid conditions. These modifications include enhanced sweat gland functionality to maximize perspiration and improve cooling efficiency. UV-resistant skin. The skin undergoes modifications to increase its resistance to harmful UV radiation in the tropical environment. This adaptation helps protect against sunburn and long-term sun damage. Coexistence with aquatic life forms. Cybernetic implants. Humans undergo surgical procedures to integrate cybernetic implants that facilitate communication and interaction with aquatic life forms. These implants establish neural connections and sensory interfaces, enabling effective communication and mutual understanding between humans and the underwater inhabitants.